I was in the 3rd grade. I was coming around the school building, and a girl was coming the other way, and we hit head on. I hit her in the forehead right here, and it broke my teeth off. It was pretty rough. It knocked both of us out, and they rushed us to the hospital, and so I had to go to the dentist. She went to the doctor, and 2 weeks later, it started getting infected, and my face started swelling up, and it was going up. So it went on like 3 or 4 days, and I was just sitting at the house, and I didn't know what I was doing. I was out of my head. So she got scared, and she rushed me to the hospital. So the doctor started giving me antibiotics through shots, so I'd have to go like 3 times a day. I done that for like 4 or 5 days. And on the 5th day, it was just, my nose was swelled, my eyes was almost together, and it was going to my brain. So the doctor put me in the hospital. So he started putting IVs in me, and I stayed like 5 days in the hospital. And like the 3rd day I was there, I heard the doctor tell my mother and father that I might not make it through the night. So that's how bad the infection got. And then I got out of my head. Out of that, I don't remember nothing out of that night. The next day, the next evening, I did wake up, and I'm still sitting here. So I'm still here. So it's been rough. And I've had a lot of infection over the years. Well, sometimes I would cover my face with my hand, if it's kind of close or something, and I just didn't smile much. And I didn't talk, I didn't open my mouth much. You get used to it, trying to hide, and it's not fun. It's embarrassing, especially when you got kids and they get embarrassed when you go out with them or to a basketball game or a wrestling match or whatever. It's hard to hide all the time.
So Mark, he presented to the office, and he came in with multiple missing front teeth. During his childhood, he had an accident where he lost multiple teeth, and throughout his life, he was always scared of smiling in public because he didn't feel confident.
Met Dr. Farrar doing landscaping for him, and he invited me into the office and stuff, so he showed me some pictures of work he's done and stuff, so that's why I thought I would try him to see if he could help me with my problem.
So for Mark, we were able to provide a full mouth reconstruction where we did a bridge, and he was very happy with the result.
Since I had my procedure at Amazing Smile with Dr. Ferreira, it's been a lot different. I can eat better, I got a better smile, and more confidence. It just changed my life a lot.
Since Mark's procedure, he is now able to smile with confidence. I've actually never seen him smile so much. And he is able to eat food that he wasn't able before because the denture would move on him, and now it's fixed. So he's much happier.
Well, when I saw my smile for the very first time, it was pretty great. I'd never been able to smile like that for years, so it was pretty nice. It felt good. Well, the investment in my teeth was probably one of the best investments I ever made. My smile is amazing. It's changed my whole life. I've been like this since I was 7. I wasn't able to smile much, and I didn't have the confidence, and it's changed my life. Well, it's a lot different. Even with my wife, I smile more, and I can eat better, and then confidence going out and to little pubs and stuff. It's made my life a lot different, and it just feels good to be able to smile when I want to smile and not worry about nothing. So, or somebody looking at me, or it's great.